Hello everyone, it's Loralie, and I would like to invite you to my class, which I call Flare Follies. Now this is a technique for framing something in the middle, some focus item with fun strip flares on the bias or straight or any number of creative, wonderful ways. And the way I use this myself is I make a display for all my embroideries when I set up a booth at a show. I've got these wonderful flared frames going in order to highlight my designs. And so ladies always want to know, well, how do you do that? What's the secret to that? And so there are a few secrets and some knack to it that I will share with you in this fun class. We will be using a prepared kit, which has everything you need in it to get a really good result. We'll be using fabric markers or even markers of your choice that you might have that you're not used to working with will help with the coloring. So that's what we're going to do in this class is we're going to stitch out an open work design, but we're going to use a filled design to do that. And we'll stitch it out as an open work design, and then we will color it. And this is what's so marvelous about this technique is you can custom color it according to however you want to turn it. That was that one, and this is a kind of red work using the same design, which you could just use red and white. How about a little pastel, cute little kitty? This is just a simple way to color, and I'll just help you with little ways to color and get a good result. This is like the designs we'll be using in the class. I have 2 dogs and a cat for you to choose from. You don't have to put anything in the middle of it. This could be just the same technique used. This is a pot holder with the very same technique. And then we have a fancier one here. These are some ladies that have been stitched out just like we will in the class and embellished with more stitching. All these fun tricks and tips I will share with you. Makes a great tote bag center. What to do with it? A tote bag, a jacket bag. How about a placemat or a mug rug or a fun pillow? Yes, this one is done with just a fabric panel. So there'll be lots of things to learn and share, and we'll just have a lot of creative fun at my class, and I'll see you there. Bye.